Joining us this morning on the phones, corporate dietitian for the United Family of Stores, our good friend Brenda Garcia. Brenda, good morning. How are you doing today?
Well, I'm good. I'm one of the ones that is working from home quite a bit. So
you kind of get it. You're like, okay, just let me get out a little bit.
Well, I still go for walks and get outside, and my kids joke that now we know what the dogs feel like when they get taken on a walk. They're all excited to get out. So it's always good to get out and get some exercise, and fun to get to talk to you, because that's a little connection with the so-called outside world there.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I thought I'd talk about, a little bit of meal prepping. I know lots of us are at home all the time, and you've got your maybe kiddos at home or your family at home. And, by the time you fed everybody breakfast, you cleaned it up, you're trying to get some work done, and before you know it, they're hungry for lunch or dinner. So we don't have to forget about meal prepping right now, and we've got some great ideas for you, whether it's maybe a yogurt parfait in a jar or chickpea salad or chipotle chicken salad. We've got some great ideas for you to maybe put some different things in the jar. You can have your kids help you, or if that's more trouble than not, maybe once they're tucked in, you can get everything ready for the next day. And that way it's just a matter of grabbing and putting it out. And it doesn't have to be just a jar. It can be, some of your plastic containers if you maybe don't want to trust little ones with the jar.
Right.
Or grab and go, like maybe you're still going to work and you still need to, grab something on your way out. So still handy. So we've got lots of ideas to pack veggies and protein and some goodies in there. And then we've got even like some pudding ideas in there. So follow us on happyandnourished.com, and you will see some of the stuff on our health and wellness blog. And then don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook, because we're jumping on there and we're sharing with you some of our ideas for what we're doing at home for meals and what's for dinner tonight, that type of thing, because we're kind of all in the same boat together.
Yeah, absolutely. Happyandnourished.com, the place to go to get some great meal ideas and meal prep ideas and recipe ideas.
Yeah. So definitely invite you to come over there. I know it gets tiring to come up with new ideas of what you're going to feed everyone. So we're trying to help you out.
Yeah, absolutely. Brenda, thank you very much. And thanks to the great team over at United Supermarkets and everything you guys are doing over there.
Yeah, the teams definitely are working hard, whether it's behind the scenes or those getting out in the stores and making sure that we've got everything that we need in the store and still serving the guests.
Yeah, exactly. And keeping everything sanitary and wiping down the carts. I mean, you're just doing a fabulous job.
Thanks. Yeah, they are definitely working hard to keep everyone safe as well.
Yeah, absolutely. Brenda, thank you.
Thank you.
Chad Hasty Show, KFYO.